Hi, welcome everybody. Today we are going to draw the princess from Super Mario. We start drawing the eyes. Next, we draw the hair. You are doing it very good. We finish the hair, and then the crown. That's it. Now we draw the ear. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and press the like button. Let's draw the body now. The shoulders. Yeah. The arms. And the hands. The rest of the body and the dress. That is all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.